Unraveling the Meaning, Wine Sale in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, wine sale. We're going to break it down, look at its meanings, and understand how you can use it in different contexts. So, whether you're a wine enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Remember, understanding such phrases is crucial as it helps in improving your language fluency and enhancing your communication skills. Before we dive into the phrase itself, let's take a moment to understand the individual words. Wine. This is a popular alcoholic beverage made from fermented grapes or other fruits. There are various types of wine, including red, white, and rosé, each having distinct characteristics and flavors. Sale. This word refers to the act of selling something or the period during which a retailer is selling goods at reduced prices. It is a common practice in business to attract customers and boost sales. Now that we understand the individual words, let's put them together. Wine sale generally refers to a special event or period where wine is being sold at reduced prices or with special offers. This could be at a retail store, a wine shop, or even online. This phrase could also imply a promotion of wine, encouraging people to buy more through attractive pricing or bundled offers. To get a better grasp of the phrase, let's look at some example sentences. I bought this amazing red wine at the wine sale last weekend. It was a great deal. Did you hear about the wine sale at Martin's Liquors? They have a buy one, get one half off deal. The local winery is hosting a wine sale to clear out last year's inventory. It's a great opportunity to try different wines. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the phrase, wine sale, delving into its meanings and how you can use it in sentences. We hope this video helps you in adding another useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences to reinforce your learning. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy learning. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.